So right next to the entrance we have this huge wall art that's very interesting and very huge. So the stairs that I'm on right now is going to take me up to the lobby area, where you'll see that there are a couple of souvenirs that you can buy, and on the right side there is the observatory deck that we'll explore in a bit. And here you can buy some statues, some earrings, and here specifically there are a lot of earrings and cool stuff for women. And on the left side, if you see, so we came from there, and then there's the observatory deck as I told you guys. Now on the left side there are stairs that would go to the museum and the chapel at the top floor, and right in front of me there's the observatory deck. So let's go there and check that out first. So it's very cold right now outside, but as you can see there is snow everywhere. But let's go out and I'll give you a view of how it looks like on the outside. So yeah guys, it's very chilly, although there are a lot of people outside on the deck. So from here you can actually see the entire Montreal area. Like, the coverage is huge. It's similar to the Montreal view, but as you can see there are a lot of people here, a lot of kids. And at the center, so this is a new thing, it was not there originally, there's a ship and there are a lot of people on there, like a couple of kids. So this is from the ancient history when people, they were migrating, and the exact information you can find on this board right there. So let's go to the other side of the deck. So if you see in front of me there is a railing, yeah, right there in front of me. So that's where in summer a lot of people would sit and just enjoy the view. Right now as well it's very beautiful. So we just came from there, and that's a parking area. And if you see, it looks pretty big from here, and it is actually a very big area that this observatory is situated on. And we can see like the entire Montreal area from here. And if you see right behind me, you can see the top part of the observatory. So there are some kids playing and enjoying, and there is the top section of the oratory. So there is the chapel what I'm talking about, that we're gonna go and see right there. And it's one of the beautiful chapels here in Montreal. So I think it's time to go inside and just check that out. But before that, there is something very interesting that I want to show you guys in this oratory, that a lot of people when they come here, they just don't know, and they are not able to go there, and they just leave by visiting the main building that's in front of us. So this observatory that we are here, and this oratory, it wasn't originally there. Yes, originally there was a chapel on this location, that's right behind the St. Joseph Oratory. And it still exists, it's still there, but a lot of people, they don't know, and they just go back without seeing that. So I'm going to show you the original chapel that was here. And the oratory, the St. Joseph Oratory, is something that was built at a very later date in the history. So we need to go up like a bit. So let's go there, and I'm going to show you the original chapel that was here. And again, it's not the oratory, it's that chapel. So it's right in front of me, and there's a car parking there as well. So we have to just climb up the stairs, and we will be in front of that chapel soon. So that's the one in front of us, guys. Yes, so this is the original chapel here, and the top part is closed for winter, so we won't be able to access it, but I'm going to show you the one underneath it. So let's go and check that out. So let's go inside and have a look. And this is all original as it was. So this is the chapel that originally existed here, and there is the residence of Brother Andre on the first floor that's closed right now. So it's very beautiful in here as well, and if you see closely, it's very neat and clean. And on the left side you'll see the picture of Brother Andre, and there are plates on the left with a couple of names, and on the right as well. So let's go back to the oratory now and explore the chapel on the top floor. So before heading to the chapel, I want to show you the history here. So if you see right in front of me, that's Brother Andre in the ancient times, and that's the old phone on display. So this is right in front of the observatory deck, just basically behind, I would say. You will take the stairs up and you'll see a piece of history here, and then they'll also show you the actual office of Brother Andre, and he's sitting there himself, and how the office used to be, the chairs, you know, the back wall, the wall clock, the scenery, the lights, so everything you can see here. So guys, the next part of the video would be exploring the top chapel. That's very magnificent, so please watch for part 4 to explore this gem.